What's the meaning of carsick? Carsick. Carsick.
Carsick. Carsick. Carsick refers to the feeling of nausea or illness that some people experience when traveling in a car or other vehicle. This can be caused by the motion of the car, which can disrupt the inner ear and cause dizziness, headaches, and vomiting in particularly severe cases. The symptoms of carsickness can be quite unpleasant, and can last for several hours even after the journey has ended. People who are prone to carsickness may benefit from taking anti-nausea medication, avoiding heavy meals before travel, and looking out the window to focus on distant objects while in motion.